It's a new 2025 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.